Sargent yn anwybyddu'r Gynghrair, a mae'n cael ei chroesi yna ni'r gôl agoriadol. Hudson yn sgorio i roi'r ymwelwyr ar y blaen wedi cwta 10 munud. A mae rhaid gofyn cwestiynau am Ashley Morris. Marriott at Sargent. Sargent yn gweld yr hediad y bel dros yr amddiffyn teg at Mullen. A mae Mullen wedi mynd i lawr o dan bwysa Morris. A mae Mr Pratt, wel mae Mr Pratt yn galw Chris Mullen drosodd a mae'n mynd i ddangos cerdyn melyn. Wel a bod yn hollol deg i'r chwaraewr, dydy o ddim wedi apelio a mae wedi codi'n syth yn ôl ar ei draed. Morris ar gig hir. Marriott o dani yn brwydro. Jones. Burke. Bala methu ffendio ffordd drwad i lawr yr asgell yma. Jones. O, na chi dacl. Wel, mae Mr Pratt wedi chwibanu'n syth. A fyswn i'n synnu os fydd Chris Marriott yn aros ar y cae. Gweitha protestiadau y Seintiau. Ac i anwyr, mae Mr Pratt yn mynd i boced cerdyn coch. Wel, mi ath o'i fewn efo'i ddwy droed. Y studs yn dangos y gwneud y penderfyniad yn eitha hawdd i Nick Pratt. Brobl. I lawr yr asgell. Burns yn ôl yn ceisio amddiffyn Brobl yn troi un ffordd ac yn troi y ffordd arall ac yn ergydio. O, mor agos gan Ryan Brobl. Howard. Ar gicrydd y peniad allan gan Eiran Edwards. Y bel yn ôl yn disgyn yn garedig yn y diwedd i Stewart Jones. O, dros y trawst. Cyfle eiraidd i'r Bala. Henry Jones ar gic gornel. Wel, y cefnogwyr tu ôl i'r gôl yn credu bod na drosedd. Ond y bel yn ôl gan Jones. Jones yn ceisio troi Kane Lewis yn gwneud hynny. Ond yr ergyd yn syth i ddwylo Harrison. Smith at Jones sy'n rheoli'r bel yn gelfydd ar yr asgell. Jones yn croesi tuag at Thames! A na ni, mae'r Bala yn gyfartal. A'r gôl yna yn golygu mai Thames ydi prif sgoriwr uwch Gynghrair Cymru hyd yma y tymor yma. Mullen. O, sodiad hyfryd gan Spender. Mullen yn cael ei lorio gan Stewart Jones. Dim cwestiwn yn meddwl y dyfarnwr. Mae'n gic o'r smotyn. Y sodliad yn un hyfryd gan Spender. Eb cyfle i roed y Seintiau yn ôl ar y blaen. O! Arbediad campus gan Morris. Ashley Morris, yr arwr i'r Bala, yn ei 200fed gêm i'r clwb pen yma. Burke ar gic gornel yn cael ei chlirio. Y bel yn disgyn i Thames. O, methu a'i ergyd yn llwyr, ond goset yn erbyn y trawst. A'r Seintiau yn clirio. Y Bala yn curo ar y drws, ond y trawst yn dod i achub 10 dyn y pencampwyr.
Yeah, definitely should have won it. You know, people will look at the penalty save, and you know that it's a penalty and a great save. But you know, the game should have been dead and buried. We should have buried them in the second half. You know, they're down to 10 men. We've been camped in there half all game, and you know, we should have buried it. But you know, give them a bit of credit for defending the box really well. But you know, they've hit the post and they've blocked shots on the line and things. So whether it was good defending or, but you know, I just think it's a little bit of us not having the quality in and around the box to have finished them off really. But you know, I take 2 draws against TNS. You know, but I'm coming away from that one tonight thinking that we should have won it.
They've had a couple of chances, but they're always going to get that momentum in the game when they've got one extra player. But proud of how they stood up and defended and stuck together, and you know, it's always difficult when you go down to 10 men.
Ashley, a personal milestone for you tonight, 200 appearances for Bala. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Yeah, I think it's a great achievement for myself. My 7th season, yeah, and they rack up quite quick.
Yeah, you know, 7th season, as you said, you signed from Llanelli. What's been your highlight here?
It's got to be the Welsh Cup win against TNS as well, by all accounts. Nothing will rank above that, I don't think.
Yeah, well, you know, obviously 1-1 against TNS, and it's a good point for you, but maybe you should have done you know, should have won the match?
Yeah, I think we go in at 1-1 and we actually disappointed. It feels like a loss to us at the minute. We dominated, even when they had 11 men, we dominated the game, I thought. Obviously, once they scored the first goal, they come at us, but apart from that, I thought we dominated from start to finish.
Yeah, 1-1, you had your chances, but then again, you made a hell of a save from the penalty.
Yeah, the penalty obviously against the run of play. They could have gone 2-1 up, and unfortunately for me, I went the right way.
Ie, ti'n gwybod, yn anodd o hyd yn mynd lawr i 10 mae'n anodd, ond dwi'n meddwl ni aros i'n game plan ar ôl hynny, ti'n gwybod, heiddi pwynt a ella da'n gallu ennill o'n y diwedd.
We give ourselves a target up until the break, and you know, we're still on course there with the target we're on. So yeah, it's mid-December. Won the league by 14 points last year, so you know, I'm not too concerned at the moment. Things aren't going for us at the moment, but good teams show their character. They'll always bounce back, and we're certainly a good team.